Hello my dear students, I hope you like my previous video on short tricks of quadratic equation part 1. Now I am talking about other amazing tricks in this part 2. In trick 2, we take some values of some variables at our choice. I am explaining this trick through some examples. Look this example. If a comma b comma c are distinct positive real numbers such that b into a plus c equal to 2ac, then the roots of ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 are, we have 4 options: real and equal, real and distinct, imaginary, none. Here the relation is given b into a plus c equal to 2ac, which implies b equal to 2ac by a plus c. So, we can conclude here a comma b comma c are in harmonic progression, that is HP. Now, we take some values at our choice. Let a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 6. Look, why we take these type of values? Because if we take these type of values, that is a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to 6, a comma b comma c are in HP. You can check this with the rules of HP, that is, if a, b, c are in HP, 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. You can check this. Now, the given equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 implies that, put the values of a, b, c, 2x square plus 6x plus 6 equal to 0, that is x square plus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now, we evaluate the discriminant. Discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac, b square, that is 3 square, minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 3, that is 9 minus 12, that is minus 3. So, which is less than 0. We know that if discriminant less than 0, the roots are imaginary. So, C is the right answer. If a comma b comma c belongs to R, that is real number, and 1 is the root of the equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the equation 4ax square plus 3bx plus 2c equal to 0 has roots which are real and equal, real and distinct, imaginary, rational. Look, if you do the sum in proper method, it takes a long time. So, we apply here this type trick. Here given that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, this equation, and 1 is a root, 1 is a root of 1 of this equation. Therefore, a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c equal to 0, which implies that a plus b plus c equal to 0. Now, we take some values of a, b, c at our choice, that is, we can take a equal to 1, B equal to minus 3, C equal to 2. You can take other values of ABC, so that such that A plus B plus C equal to 0. Here you can see 1 minus 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So, these values satisfy this relation A plus B plus C equal to 0. Now, given equation 4ax square plus 3bx plus 2c equal to 0. Now, put the values 4 into 1 into x square plus 3 into minus 3 into x plus 2 into 2 equal to 0, implies that 4x square minus 9x plus 4 equal to 0. Now, we evaluate discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac minus 9 whole square minus 4 into 4 into 4, that is 81 minus 64, which is greater than 0. So, the roots are real and distinct. We know if d greater than 0, that is discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. So, B is the correct answer. Now, look this example. If m and n are the roots of x square minus p into x plus 1 minus q equal to 0, then the value of the expression is 0, 1, 2, none. You look this sum, if you perform the sum in a proper method, it will take long time and it will be not fit for joint entrance or other engineering entrance examination. So, we should apply the trick, and the trick states that we have to choose some values of the variables in such a way that we reach to a favorable condition, favorable situation. So, you take here m and n are the roots of this equation. First, I write the equation x square minus p into x plus 1 minus q equal to 0, implies that x square minus px minus p minus q equal to 0. You take common negative sign, and this type of equation forms x square minus px minus p plus q equal to 0. Now, if we take m equal to 1 and n equal to 2, suppose m equal to 1 and n equal to 2, you can take other values also. So, the equation, we know that the equation whose roots are 1, 2 is x square minus 1 plus 2 into x plus 1 into 2 equal to 0. You know the rule, x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots. So, implies that x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and this equation and this equation. Now, we compare the two equations. Comparing the two equations, we get p equal to 3 and p plus q equal to minus 2. So, q equal to minus 2 minus p, that is minus 5. putting the value of p equal to 3, we get minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. Now the given expression here, given expression m square plus 2m plus 1, that is m square, that means 1 square, plus 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus q, that is minus 5, plus n square, that means 2 square, plus 2 into 2 plus 1 upon n square, that means 2 square, plus 2 into 2 q plus q, that is minus 5. Now simplify this. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 2 3 minus 5, that is minus 2, plus 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 4 8 minus 5 3. So here minus 2 plus 3, we get 1. So answer is B. Option B is the right answer. So you can understand the importance or significance of this trick. Next example. If tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of x square plus x plus b equal to 0, then the value of sin square alpha plus beta plus a into sin alpha plus beta into cos of alpha plus beta plus b into cos square alpha plus beta is equal to, we have 4 options, b by a by b, c and d. So we have to apply the trick, and so we take some values of alpha and beta. Suppose we take alpha equal to 30 degree and beta equal to 60 degree. Look, if we take this type of values 30 plus 60 90, so sin square alpha plus beta results, and sin alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus beta, we get the values very easily. You can choose alpha and beta in another way, but I think alpha equal to 30 degree and beta equal to 60, that is the sum of alpha plus beta equal to 90 degree. It is more appropriate for this sum. Now it is given that it is tan alpha comma tan beta the roots, not plus. Tan alpha comma tan beta are the roots of this equation. So tan alpha, that is tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by root 3, and tan 60 degree equal to root 3. So 1 by root 3 comma root 3 are the roots of this equation. So the equation whose roots are 1 by root 3 and root 3 is x square minus sum of roots, that is 1 by root 3 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 into root 3 equal to 0. So we get x square plus minus 4 by root 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 4 by root 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. We get this equation. So comparing these two equations, that is x square plus x plus b equal to 0 and x square minus 4 by root 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0, we get a equal to minus 4 by root 3 and b equal to 1. the given expression sin square a plus b, that is sin square 30 degree plus 60 degree plus a means minus 4 by root 3 into sin 90 degree alpha plus beta, that is 90 degree, into cos 90 degree plus b, that means 1, into cos square 90 degree, which is equal to sin square 90, that means 1 square, sin cos 90, that is 0, so you get here plus 0, cos 90 0 plus 0, so we get 1. Here b equal to 1, so we get the result 1, which is equal to b, so D is the right answer.